Hi there friends, today I'm going to show you how to post in all Facebook groups at once for free. And this is unique tips because most of the tips of multiple group poster that may be taking as a spam, like Facebook think that is spam. So I'm going to show you today that how you can post like a spam free, and it is completely free and easy. Okay, you must have to follow the instruction step by step. Okay, follow my instruction step by step, then you can get the real Facebook auto poster or multiple group poster. Okay, then after this, go to any browser and log in your Facebook account, and then what you have to do, you have to sign up in this URL. I'll give you this URL in description. And then what you have to do, you have to sign up and activate this account by your email. You just need to go to your email address and open the email and go to this link. It will be activated automatically. Then sign in, and then you'll get this interface. And then what you have to do, click settings, click Facebook account, and then click add new Facebook account and click here, and then just Ctrl+A, copy it and go to your Facebook tab. Just right click your mouse, click inspect, and then click console. Just paste it here, click enter. Then you will get a token here. Just copy it, simply just copy it, copy and paste it here. Click add Facebook account, and then what you have to do is go see here, my account is added here. Publish settings, go to publish settings. Just you have to click unique post. After 30 seconds it will be post. Your app is HTC Sense. Save change. Okay, and then go to home. Then you'll get all of this your Facebook groups, open, closed groups, and you can post all by clicking this one. It will select all of this. If you want to post targeted groups, just search for it. If I targeted for PHP group, just enter. See here, all of these PHP groups appeared here, PHP related groups. And what you have to do, you have to just make a status. Just click send a message to groups and paste message, image, video. Okay, I'm not gonna send post video, and just I'm going to post my message only. For this I'm going to my YouTube, my videos, my channel. Come on, my channel. And then what I'm doing, I'm just going to post this this one. Click must see, and then copying it, sorry, paste it here. It will post after 3 seconds. All of these groups. I want it for after 20 or 10 seconds. Okay, I'm going to link and add her link at her. See here, my post will be like this. Okay, and then what I have to do, I just need to click send. You can also use schedule post. Schedule post means when you want to post, you can set it. Okay, then I'm gonna post it here. Send now. Just posting. Just wait a little. View the post. This is open group. Share my post. This is unique because of this. Uniquely this will post. Okay, share. This is another post after 10 seconds. After 10 seconds all of these groups will be posted. New member. Okay, this is my tutorial. I think most of the video of YouTube not works properly. Some of our spam, Facebook, some of our doesn't work. Okay, thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel if you are benefited from this video, and hit the bell button. Thank you. Share with your friends if it is really helpful. Thank you.